morning, good morning, good morning. It's Friday, it's Friday, it's Friday. I think so. Good morning. Let's see, who do we have with us today? We have Yvonne. Good morning, Yvonne. Timur. Morning meeting. Okay, so here we go. Good morning, Kenzo. Good morning, Aaliyah. And so here we are. Thank you. So with that being said, we are going to start today with our calendar. Look at this, 2 days in a row. I remembered to change it from English or from Spanish back to English. Yay. All right, here we go. Are we excited or what? I am. I'm excited. So we're going to do I have a new story for you today. It's actually a very funny story. It's called Stuck. Have you ever been stuck? Miss Maggio has. Is Miss Maggio filling your bucket? I hope so. Who wants to fill a bucket? With hearts? Who wants to show me a heart? Hearts. Filling buckets. Buckets are full. Yeah? Good morning, my love muffins, my nephews, Justin and Lucas, and my niece Ava. You guys are the cutest things in the whole wide world. All right, here we go. Are we ready? For our, I'm going to move you over so we can see the calendar. Can you see the calendar? All right, so let's do our little song. You guys want to sing? I like to sing. Good morning, Eker. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days. Saturday. All right. So what day is today? If yesterday was Thursday, today must be Saturday. Yes, tomorrow must be Saturday. Good morning, Yura and Lucas. So today is Friday. So then the month, then the date, and then the year. Whereas in Spanish, they do the day, the date, the month, and then the year. Okay? So today is Friday. Good morning, Amanda. April 17th, 2020. Today is Friday, April 17th, 2020. And it's very important to know how to write the date correctly. So we write it. April, all months always have a capital letter. So it's April 17th, 2020. Miss Maggio's 2020 isn't the greatest. You have to put a comma after the 17, and we have to put a capital letter for April. Okay, April 17th, 2020. How am I Justin and my Lucas and my Ava Roses? And my Camilas and Amadas and who else? Ekers. All right, so it's April 17th, 2020. Okay, and now it's time for weather around the world. We ready for weather around the world? Good morning, Miss B. Good morning, Valeria. Boom. It's going fast, huh? All right, let's do our review. Review of our continents. How many continents? There's seven continents. Here we go. North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Oceania, and Antarctica. Look at that. Miss Maggio just made it all up on her own. I bet you I can't do it again. All right, ready? 7 continents. Here we go. North America, South America, Europe, Europe, Africa, Africa, Asia, Asia, Oceania, and Antarctica. Do you love that or what? I am so talented. Isn't that great, guys? Yes. All right. Here we go. Here we go. I can always keep it interesting, huh? All right. Let's start with Antarctica. Is it colder today or is it warmer today? I wonder if it's ever not minus something. Okay. So I think it's colder today. And let's see. I don't really remember. Yesterday, I think it was minus 40 something. Guess what? Today, it's also minus 40 something. It's minus 44. So still cold. Nothing changed down there. All right, let's go backwards today. We're going to go to New Zealand. And we're going to go to Victoria. Victoria, New Zealand. Oh, it's a rainy night in Victoria, New Zealand. Right now in Victoria, New Zealand, it is currently tomorrow. It is 1:09 in the morning tomorrow. And it's 63 degrees and it's raining. Yep. Okay. Here we are. We are in China. Not China. And yesterday we did Hong Kong, but I didn't look for anything new. So let's go to Bangkok again. What country is Bangkok? Who remembers where's Bangkok? Bangkok is in Thailand. The land of Thai. Thailand. Miss Maggio likes Thai food. All right. It is cloudy there, and it's currently 8:09 p.m. in Thailand. Bangkok, Thailand. 84 degrees. Nice and warm, just like here. All right. Ding, 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 ding. Africa. All right. In Africa, we're going to Western. Sri Lanka. Ooh. No, not Sri Lanka. Hold on a second. Western is in Sierra Leone. Where is Sierra Leone? Well, I think it's over on the East Coast somewhere. Ms. Maggio should know this before she does it. Either way, oh goodness, I'll find it tomorrow. Isn't that awful? Not very good doing geography today, am I? Nope. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. 77 degrees. 77 degrees. It is somewhere over here. Sierra Leone. I'm pretty certain. Whoops. What happened? How did I get back there? I think I'm in the whole wrong place. I'm in the whole wrong part of the world. Tap. 77 degrees. All right, here we go. Europe. Not Europe. I said Europe. Shall we go to Vienna, Austria? That's Ms. Maggio has to get her accents down. Today in Vienna, Austria, which is right there between Germany, Italy, it's 75 degrees there in Vienna. Okay. And now we have to go across the Atlantic Ocean. And let's go to South America. And we will go to, well, I didn't look anything new up. So we're going to go to Sucre, Bolivia. Remember, Bolivia is here in the middle. 50 degrees right now in Sucre, Bolivia. Sucre. All right. And now, North America, let's go to Toronto. Toronto, Canada today. Did we go to Toronto yesterday? I don't remember. I think we did. Toronto is 37 degrees, right? And I know Victor wants Montreal. I have to find out, Victor, why you love Montreal so much. All right. And Montreal is in Quebec. And in Montreal, it is currently 36 degrees. I think that's where our friend Milan is, who used to attend our school. 36 degrees in Montreal, Canada. Yes. All right. So there you have it. Weather around the world. All right. They made it. Tomorrow we'll do Hollywood, or maybe we'll do Hollywood in Spanish class. Okay. All right. So here we go. Miss Maggio's changing over. Who's ready for morning math? Are you? Are you ready for morning math? I'm ready for morning math. I hope you're ready for morning math. Because we love math. Don't we love math? Yes, we do. All right. So today we are coming to an end of our units of 3D shapes and money, counting coins, okay? So with that being said, we are going to do a little review on standardized test taking. So these are questions that you would find on Common Core or standardized tests, which, as we all know and love, or not, we shall see. So if you can answer these questions, then you would do a super duper job on the tests that they want you to take in the United States, right? Right. Or the curriculum that Miss Maggio teaches you in English. Okay, so here we go. All right, so directions. Listen as your teacher reads each problem. Choose the correct answer. Count to find the value of the coins. So, are you ready? Let's do a little review. How much is a penny? How much is a nickel? How much is a dime? How much is a quarter? A penny is 1. A nickel is 5. A dime is 10. And a quarter is 25. All right. So for those of you that aren't used to American money, let's take a look here. Okay. You've been doing it all week, but let's just review. So the bigger one, this is a quarter. These are both quarters. The big ones are quarters, and quarters are, right, quarters are 25 cents. Or if you're here in the Dominican Republic, we could say they are 25 pesos. All right. Dime is how much? 10. 1, 0. Okay. Nickel is 5. And a penny is 1. So I hope you guys have your scrap paper ready so that you can solve these with me. All right. So Miss Maggio's going to do the first one. We'll do it together because we'll do the examples together. Then you're on your own. You're going to tell me the right answer. Okay. So we have 25 cents and 25 cents, right? 25, 25, 10 cents, 5, and 1. Okay? So 25 and 25 is, very good, 50. 50 and 10, 60. 60 and 5, 65 and 5, 70 and 1, 71. So we have 71 cents. So the answer to this is 71 cents. So what would you do on a test like this? You would either fill in the bubble, okay, or I guess you can exit too, but you fill in the bubble. circle with the correct. Just like Ms. Maggio did, okay? So 25, 50, 60, 65, 71. 71 cents, okay? All right, next. Here we go. Remember, these are 25 and 25. The big ones are 25. This is a nickel. Look, this one even says 1 cent. 5 cents, 1, 1, 1. Okay? Are you ready? All right, so we have 2.25, 1 5, and 3 pennies. 2 25-cents, 1 5-cent, and 1, 2, 3 pennies. Okay? 25 and 25 is 50. Good job, Justin and Lucas. 50 and 5, 55, 56, 57, 58. Very good. 58. So we have 58 cents. Okay? So what would you do? You would come over here and you would fill that in. Okay? All right. Here we go. Next. Ms. Maggio's not going to say anything yet. You're going to look and you're going to tell me what the answer is before I tell you. Okay? Whoops-a-daisy. So we have, that's a little bit too big, a quarter, 3 dimes, a nickel, and a penny. A quarter, 3 dimes, a nickel, and a penny. A quarter, 3 dimes, a nickel, and a penny. Okay? Who's got the answer? Anybody? Remember, quarters, 25. So let's count with me. I'm not going to write it out. 25, 35, 45, 55, 60, 61. Very good. 61 cents. So you would mark 61 cents. If you got that, good job. Okay, if you didn't, then we need to see what you did wrong so that you don't make the same mistake again. Okay? All right. Good job, Ameda. Okay, here we go. The next one. We have 2 quarters and 2 dimes and a penny. So 25, 25, 10, and 10, and 1. Okay, good morning, Maxime. Who's got the answer? All right, here we go. Ready? 25 and 25 is 50. And 10, 60. Good job, Justin and Lucas. Good job, Yvonne. And 10, 70. And 1, 71. Good job. Look at all of you guys. 25 and 25 is 50. And 10 is 60. And 10 is 70. And 1 is 71. Good job. So here's our answer, 71. Oh my goodness, you guys are doing great. All right, wow, we have 325. So we have 25, 25, 25. 10, 5, 1, 1. Okay? So we have 25, 25, 25, 10, 5, 1, 1. 25, 25, 25, 10, 5, 1, 1. What do we have? 25 and 25 is 50. 50 and 25 is, you guys got it, 75. 85. 90, 91, 92. Who got it? Good job, Justin, Lucas. Good job, Vladimir. Good job, Valeria. Good job, Vova. We're doing it. We're doing it. Nice job, guys. All right. We're doing it. Count to find the value. Here we go. Almost there. 25, 25, 10, 10, 10, 1, 1. Who's got this? Almost. Almost. Careful, Justin and Lucas. 25 and 25 is 50. Count by tens. 60, 70, 80, 81, 82. All right. 82. Very good. Oh, you were saying the last one was 92. You're right. Sorry. It's my bad. 82. All right. So we have 25, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82. Okay. And, what do we have here? Okay. We have 25, 25, 25, 10, 10, 1, 1, 1. Okay? Good job, guys. Yvonne, pay attention and don't worry about Discord. 25, 50, 75. All right, so we have 3 25s, 25, 50, 75. Count by tens. 25, 50, 75, 85, 95, 96, 97, 98. Good job. Did you get 98? Yes, you did. Super, super, super duper. Love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right. Good job, you guys. Okay. And of course, there must be Ms. Maggio's favorite, problem solving, word problems, word problems. I love word problems. All right. Mariah has 1 quarter. How much is a penny? How much is a nickel? How much is a dime? How much is a quarter? A penny is 1, a nickel is 5, a dime is 10, and a quarter is 25. So she has 1 quarter, which is 25. 2 dimes. How much is 2 dimes? 10. A dime is 10. So 1 nickel. How much is a nickel? 5. And 3 pennies. How much is a penny? 1. You guys are too smart for me. Too fast, too smart. All right. Remember, a penny is 1, a nickel is 5, a dime is 10, and a quarter 25. So we have a quarter, which is 25, right? 25, 2 dimes, which is 10. 25, 35, 45. A nickel is 5. 50 and 3 pennies. 51, 52, 53. Good job, you guys. Oh my goodness gracious. I see, Justin Lucas. You guys got 53. It's 53. You're right. So it's 53 cents. So Mariah has 53 cents. Good job, everybody. Good job, Yvonne. Good job, Eker. Yes. Love it. All right. Jalen has, I'm going to have to make this a little bit smaller so you guys can see what he has. Now remember, whoops. Now remember when we do this, okay, when we do these word problems, we need to see what we know, and then we need to find out the answer. So Jalen has this money. This is what he's got, okay? He has 2 quarters, 2 nickels, and 3 pennies, okay? Now, which coin does he need to buy the hat? Oops. So we know what he has. This is the information that we know, right? And we know that the hat costs, I don't know, as soon as Miss Maggio can get down here. Hold on a second. There is something wrong. Houston, we have a problem. The hat does not have a dollar amount. What? This one says 95 cents, but I think when I put this into a PDF file, I made a mistake. So hold on a second. I'm going to check and see if... So while I'm doing this, you guys count the coins, okay? Counting the coins, counting the coins, counting the coins. Are you working with me? Are you counting those coins? I hope so. I lost it. Okay, let's do this one first. And then while Miss Maggio finds the other one, I'll pull it up and see how much it is. Okay, let's do this one first then, because we don't know how much the hat is, so we can't tell what he needs. But we know that the airplane is 95 cents because it says it right here, okay? Sorry, my fault. Okay, so Carlos has 2 quarters, 1, 2, 3 dimes, and a nickel. Okay, the plane costs 95 cents. Which coin does he need to buy the airplane? All right, so we know what do we know? We know the airplane costs 95 cents. We know that this is how much money Carlos has. And we need to find out what he needs in order to buy the airplane. Okay, so let's count. 25, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, right? So we know that Carlos has 85 cents. The plane costs 95 cents. So Carlos has 85 cents. The plane costs 95 cents. So how much more money does he need? Right. He needs 10 cents. So how much is a quarter? Right, 25. How much is a nickel? 5. How much is a dime? 10. So which of these does he need? Right, he needs the dime. right? So he needs 10 cents. All right, Ms. Maggio needs to find out what on earth. All right, I'll make it up myself. The hat costs 98 cents. So Jalen has this much. The hat, we're going to say the hat costs 98 cents. You see that? No? It's all right. So we have a hat. The hat is equal to 98 cents. Okay? So it's equal to 98 cents. Jalen has 25 and 25, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63. He has 63 cents. So Jalen has 63 cents. How much money does he need to get 98 cents? Should we subtract? Yeah. So let's do it. 98 minus 63. 8 minus 3 is 5. 9 minus 6. Oops. The hat costs 88 cents. All right, there we go. That's better. Ms. Maggio couldn't see it, and I can't add in the today. So he needs 25 cents to buy the hat. So which one does he need? Does he need the penny, the nickel, or the quarter? If he needs 25 cents to buy the hat, what does he need? Right, he needs the quarter, which is 25 cents. Oh my goodness, see what happens when Ms. Maggio is not ready. Oh my gosh, time flies when you're having fun. All right, there is our math money. This part will be a little bit easier because we're doing three-dimensional shapes. All right, so ready? Let's go. How many faces and vertices does the rectangular prism have? Who remembers how many faces and how many vertices does the rectangular prism have? Here's a rectangular prism. How many faces? How many vertices? Good job, Maria. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. Good job, Ameda, and 8 vertices. So here's our answer. A rectangular prism has 6 faces and 8 vertices. Good job. All right. How many faces and vertices does a cone have? Who remembers? How many faces and how many vertices does a cone have? You're right. Did you do it? How many faces does a cone have? 1. And how many vertices does a cone have? 1. So it has 1 face and 1 vertex for a cone. Good job. All right, moving on. Which object can be made by the faces shown? So we have 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares, right? Good job, Ameda. Good job, Maria. Good job, Valeria. All right. So which object can be made by the faces shown? A cylinder, a cube, which is a dice, a fish tank, which would be a rectangular prism, or a can of carrots, which would also be a cylinder. Who can tell me? You're right. Which object can be made by 6 squares, putting 6 squares together. A cube. Good job, Ameda. Cube can be. Very good. The cube, the dice. Good job, Maria. All right. Which shape is used to make the composite shape? Remember, a composite shape is a shape where you put 2 other shapes together, 2 or more other shapes together. So, what shape is that? So we have to mark all the answers. It's a cone, and this is a cube. Right. So which shape is used to make this shape? Let's see. We have a cone. We know that one. Yes. Sphere? No. Cylinder? No. Rectangular prism? No. So we know the answer is, which shape is used to make this composite shape? You're right. A cone. Good job. What is the shape of the can? What is the shape of the faces that makes this object? So it's like a can. All right. So what is the shape of the faces? So these are the faces. Hola, Rosauri. Good morning. How are you, sweet girl? So here we have, what are the faces? They are, you're right, they're circles, okay? So the shape of the faces that make this is a circle. Good job. Did you get that? You're right, Eager. A+ for Ms. Maggio, right? All right. Which shape is not used to make the composite shape? Which of these is not used to make this? We have a cone, cylinder, rectangular prism. So is there a cone? Yes. So that's not the answer. Is there a rectangular prism? Yes. So that's not the answer. Is there a sphere? Is there a sphere? No, there's no sphere. So, is there a cylinder? Yes, there's a cylinder. So, which shape is not used to make this? You're right. The sphere. The sphere. All right. Good job, everybody. If you got all of those, you are ready for that part of your math standardized tests. Good job. Yay! Give yourself a pat on the back because you did a super job in math this week. All right. Now, holy schmoly. First, before we go on to the other things, Miss Maggio's gonna read the book, read the book, read the book. Miss Maggio's gonna read the book. Dum, dum, dum. All right. So our book this week is called Stuck. It's actually quite a funny story. Now let's remember our words or our phonics for this week is what? What's our phonics this week? Ow! Did I scare you? Yes, it's ow. Miss Maggio just cracks herself up. So yes, our phonics for this week are words that say ow, as in O-U or O-W. And what's our grammar point this week? Contractions. So it's when you combine 2 words like we, will, or do not, and you take the words and you combine them and you put an apostrophe where they should go, right? So we will The two words combine and become wheel. We'll go to school someday. Do not. You combine the two words and you go don't, an apostrophe T. Don't. All right? So we are going to look for words that say ow, and we're going to look for contractions in our story. Okay? All right. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, Lordy. All right. This is a funny book. I hope you find it as funny as Miss Maggio. It's called Stuck. All right? By Oliver Jeffers. So Stuck is the what? Title, very good. And Oliver Jeffers is the, very good, the author. Miss Maggio thinks this is funny. All right. It all began when Floyd's kite became stuck in a tree. He tried pulling and swinging, but it wouldn't come unstuck. What's our contraction in there? Right, wouldn't. Would not. The trouble really began when he threw his favorite shoe to knock the kite loose. And that got stuck too. So he threw up his other shoe to knock down his favorite one. And unbelievably, that got stuck as well. In order to knock down, I found an ow, down his other shoe, Floyd fetched Mitch, the cat. Cats get stuck in trees all the time, but this was getting ridiculous. Floyd fetched a ladder. What do you think is going to happen? This is a good book to practice predictions. What do you think Floyd's going to do with the ladder? You know what Ms. Maggio thought? Ms. Maggio thought Floyd was going to put the ladder to the tree and then go and up the tree and get the stuff down. But no. Floyd fetched a ladder. He was going to sort this out, O-U-T, out, our word, once and for all. And up he threw it. Did you think he was going to throw it? I did not. I'm sure you can guess what happened. Here's our contraction. I am. What happened? My gosh. The letter was borrowed from a neighbor. Yes. Nope, that's the wrong one. And would definitely need to be put back before anyone noticed. And in order to do so, Floyd flung a bucket of paint at it. And wouldn't you know it, would not, the bucket of paint got stuck. Then Floyd tried. What do you think he tried next? He tried a duck to knock down the bucket of paint, a chair to knock down the duck, his friend's bicycle to knock down the chair. Notice our down, down, down. The kitchen sink to knock down his friend's bicycle. Floyd's front door to knock down the kitchen sink. Floyd is crazy. The family car to knock down their front door. The milkman to knock down the family car. Did you get up here the same way, he's saying? An orangutan, what? An orangutan to knock down the milkman who surely had somewhere else to be. A small boat to knock down the orangutan, a big boat to knock down the small boat, a rhinoceros to knock down the big boat, a long-distance truck to knock down the rhinoceros, the house across the street, house, O-U, to knock down the long-distance truck. Is this not funny or what? A lighthouse, house, to knock down the house no longer across the street. Hi, what are you doing? Oh my gosh, he's gonna throw a whale up there. What? A curious whale in the wrong place at the wrong time to knock down the lighthouse. And they all got stuck. Oh my heaven. A fire engine was passing by and heard all the commotion. The firemen stopped to see if they could help at all. What do you think is going to happen? You think they're going to help? Oh my goodness. Can we help at all? And up they went. First the engine, followed by the firemen, one by one. Vladimir cut it out. And there they stayed, stuck between the orangutan and one of the boats. Firemen would definitely be noticed missing, and Floyd knew he'd be in big trouble. He'd, contraction, for he would. Then he had an idea and went to find a saw. What do you think he's going to do with a saw? Do you think he's going to throw it up in the tree? Or do you think he's going to cut down the tree so everything can come out? Let's see. This is a story that is not easily predictable, is it? He lined it up as best he could and hurled it up into the tree. Oh my goodness. And that was it. Pop. There was no more room left in the tree, and the kite came unstuck. Floyd was delighted. He had forgotten all about his kite and put it to use immediately, enjoying the rest of his day very much. What happened with everything in the tree? That night, Floyd fell asleep, exhausted. Though before he did, he could have sworn there was something he was forgetting. What was he forgetting, guys? He was forgetting everything in the tree. Hang on a minute, lads. I've got a great idea. And that was the fireman saying that. Oh my goodness. Look at all that stuff stuck in the tree. How much did you love that story? Miss Maggio loved that story. So, good story to end the week on, huh? Did you find all the hours? We had down and house, and we had our contraction, heed, weed, it's. So let's go. before we finish today, we're going to do our ow here. Are you ready? I want to make sure you can all see very well. Hi, Amita. I bought the book in the United States. All right, here we go.
The ow sound. The ow sound. When the letters OW or OU are together, they can stand for the ow sound. OU consonant E can also stand for the ow sound. Say the sound ow.
Did you say ow?
At the end of the word cow, the ow sound is spelled with the letters OW.
O-W, ow.
In the word cloud, the ow sound is spelled with the letters OU.
Loud.
In the word mouse, OU consonant E stands for the ow sound.
Mouse, house.
Read each word. Click and drag the words that have the ow sound into the box.
Let's read each word, and we're going to do the ones that say ow in the box, okay? Here we go. Town. Yes. Boat. No. South. Yes. House. Yes. Brown. Yes. Good job, guys. Cold. No. Gown. Gown is like a pretty dress. Yes. Toe. No. Mouth. Yes. Rose.
Good job.
No. All right. Good job, you guys. Here we go. Now, as our last of contractions, let's see.
Contractions. Contractions. A contraction is a short form of two words. A mark called an apostrophe takes the place of the letters that are left out.
Apostrophe.
The word is and not can be put together to make the contraction isn't. Isn't is a shorter way of saying is not. To make the words is and not into a contraction, leave out the letter O and replace it with an apostrophe.
Isn't. Is not.
The words he and is can be put together to make the contraction he's. He's is a shorter way of saying he is. To make the words he and is into a contraction, leave out the letter I and replace it with an apostrophe. The contraction she'll is a short way of saying she will. The apostrophe replaces the letter W and I in the word will. The contraction I'm is a short way of saying I am. The apostrophe replaces the letter A in the word am. Can you find a shorter way of saying these words? Read each pair of words. Then find the contraction that means the same thing.
All right.
Click and drag the contraction
Are you ready?
into the correct box.
He will. Whoops. What does Maggio do? We have I'm, he'll, they'll, aren't, she's. He will. Right. He'll. I am. Right. I'm. Are not. Right. Aren't. They will. Right. They'll. She is. Last one. Come on, you can do it. She's.
Good job.
Good job. Good job, everybody. We learned and we did so many wonderful things this week that I hope you loved every minute of it. We read lots of stories. We learned more about inferences and sequence of events and predictions, owl for phonics and contractions, math, three-dimensional shapes, counting coins and money. I don't know. You guys are so much smarter today than you were yesterday, and even more than Monday. So next week, make sure you tune in and stay tuned for all of the wonderful things we are going to learn then also. Okay? So have a wonderful weekend. Do something fun. Even though we're all stuck inside, get outside, get some fresh air, run around, and just be happy. Get your buckets filled and fill somebody else's bucket too. Ms. Maggio loves you very, very much, and I will see you all again on Monday. Bye. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.